Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you change your email address in Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your email in Bitget, you just simply have to open your Bitget app at very first. And after opening the Bitget app, you just simply have to tap into this dotted icon into the top left corner. Tap into that, and after that open your profile. Now you just simply have to select security section and go to this email option. Now after going into email, you will get this option of bind another email. Tap into bind another email and you have to enter a new email address into this section. Just simply enter a new email address, and into the email address, if you tap into this send button, you will get this option of email verification code, which you will get into your email. Now you just simply have to enter the verification code and tap to submit button. Then this email will be added to your account, and you just simply have to remove this older email which is primary into your account, and your email will successfully be changed to new one. This way you can very easily change your email address in Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.